Good morning, guys. Welcome to San Diego. We're here in our house. And the girls are in the kitchen making breakfast.
Oh, we're breaking in this brand new place.
Breaking in the new place?
There's been one other family couple that stayed in here before us after they renovated it. I don't think they were cooks. There were seals on everything.
Oh,
so
okay.
I'm breaking it in.
Breaking it in. Making some pancakes and eggs. So one of the things the girls have to get a little resourceful. We didn't buy any cooking spray or butter, and there wasn't anything here because it's a brand new place. So they're improvising. She's using cooking oil over there. One of my favorite things about traveling and in the specific locations that we like to travel in, San Diego, San Francisco, LA, places like that, is the walkability, right? You guys heard me talk about this. This is the reason why we sold our house and moved into the community we moved into, is because we want walkability, right? I can walk to a coffee shop. Well, at this location, I can walk to a coffee shop. You got Better Buzz Coffee. I remember this place. In fact, when I checked in, it said that I hadn't been here since 2016. So again, like I said, we've been here 4 years ago, that exact coffee shop, and the honey latte is exactly what I remember it. It's fantastic. And I picked up Sierra and Bryce a caramel buzz, kind of like their version of a Frappuccino. Very good as well. We got bikes. We're renting some bikes. We got two beach cruisers and the kids. The kids have a tandem bike. Pretty stoked about it. Learning how to ride on a tandem bike. It's been a while since you guys done a tandem bike.
We've never done a tandem.
Yeah, you have. We've had one before. Oh, you've never done one? Maybe you've never done one. We've done one before. Where did we do one before? We rented one. You and Teresa. I'll dig up the vlog. If anyone's watching this knows the vlog that we had a tandem bike before, pull it up. Let me know. Tweet it. But we're gonna go for a ride. So we decided today was our day to go out and explore, go along the boardwalk. Kids are older now, you know, so bicycles make sense. And they really wanted to do a tandem, so we rented the tandem bike. And you know, brother sister having some struggles back there, but having fun while doing it. So many awesome houses. I swear every time we come here, houses get facelifts, right? They tear them down and rebuild them, looking cooler. Look at this one. This one's getting painted. It looks new. That one looks old, but still cool. That one looks new. Pretty cool. Love it. I love it. Someday.
Locking them up. Time for some lunch. It's like a limousine of a bike.
Like a bus.
You're doing good though.
Yeah.
We're here at Draft doing lunch. We got some pita bread, hummus, beer cheese, and olive tapenade for appetizers. House salad, salmon sandwich with arugula. Oh my god, yes. Pistachio crusted. And then another order of nachos for Sierra. What? No, seriously, nachos look amazing. Totally our style. We love it. We love it. Love it.
Here we go.
Big salmon.
Oh, stretch that. No. Is it good? I feel like you're kind of ruining the salmon though by putting it in between bread. No?
Well, I don't need it, but you know the sound of this? Oh, you gotta try that. That is amazing. You like
I will try a bite.
You get the sweet glaze where the glaze was? With the pistachios? I taste the pistachios. And then arugula. Woo! Woo! Careful, it's dripping, careful, it's dripping. Oh, that's amazing.
What's better, that or a burger, Bryce?
Good, right?
I can taste the sweet.
Mm-hmm. You know what sucks though?
What?
They're pickled.
They're what?
They're pickled.
Oh, the pickles. Sorry, a little slow there.
Wait, there was a pickle on it?
So what's the best bite? Right there with the fatty stuff, or right here for me because it's less?
Fatty?
Oh, what's that? The skin. Skin to that?
No, it's fine.
You have to like wait a second to get the full flavor. You know, like
That's good. Only because there's bread and sauce. Bryce, party in the back.
I have an idea. Oh goodness.
Oh no,
Oh,
that's
yeah.
not a good
Oh,
idea.
I can't pedal though.
No.
How much you got is?
I don't know.
It's probably like $5
Two?
million.
Pacific Beach. A lot busier down here. Back at the beach. Kids are making a mud hole.
Yeah, so earlier we dug cereal and we buried our feet. Now we're trying to bury mine, but we got water. You gotta move back.
Don't get your pants dirty, bro.
Trying not to.
I'm trying not to. Somebody's chilly. Sitting there cold.
Sierra any hands? Sierra needs some help, and Dad to the rescue. But like the second time, babe.
How does it look?
Amazing.
It's a mess.
How's the top?
Looks like beach hair.
It's like, yeah.
Awesome.
You're good.
Tactical. Tiffany's back in the kitchen.
Wait, second happy place.
Your second half place. Honestly, we were gonna go out to dinner tonight, and you said
I know.
you wanted to cook. You did. You're missing the kitchen. Yeah, we were talking about going out tonight, and we were sitting on the beach with watching the kids play, and Tiff was like, "I kind of feel like cooking tonight. We got that kitchen. We got got the actual like house and not a hotel. We don't have to go eat out. We ate out for lunch. Tomorrow we plan on being at the beach and eating out tomorrow for lunch. So went back to Ralph's, back to the grocery store, and we're making pasta tonight. So we're gonna do I don't know what kind of noodles it is.
Rigatoni.
Rigatoni. And we got, is this a double pot?
Mm-hmm.
Steamer?
Steamer.
Oh, that's so cool. Sierra's watching some Arrow, and I bet you Bryce is playing with Julio.
You were correct.
You are correct. What are you doing?
Playing Roblox?
Roblox, alright. Woo, dinner time. Look at that, mommy, a little pasta bake. Alfredo on one side, marinara on the other, mixed in with the broccoli and cheese. Nice job. What do you think, Bryce?
Good.
Good stuff?
Good.
Yeah. Bryce is already getting into the dessert. What's for dessert, Bryce?
I don't know exactly what they're called, but it's like a
Cupcakes.
thing.
Right there on the label. It's called cupcakes. They're the original cupcakes.
Frosted
Jeez.
chocolate cake with creamy filling.
You just read the description. What's wrong with you?
Last night I slept with my neck wrong, but it's been hurting all day.
Yeah, bugging you all day. And now you're getting tired, so it's starting to get worse.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna go and call it a night here. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Eye in the sky for more videos, more road trip. If you haven't caught up on all our awesome destinations this road trip, eye in the sky for more videos, playlists, all that good stuff, and as well as the end slate. And we'll see you guys tomorrow for the beach day. Vlog on.